Today we are going to learn how to make table in just a seconds. Okay, just you have to select any cell in the area and Control A. Then press Control T. It will ask you, my table has header. If your table has this headers, so keep it check. If not, then you can remove it, so it will be like this. For changing the color, you can use this one, format ribbon button light. I prefer this one. Okay, to undo this table, okay, just click in between, go to table design and convert to the range. Okay, it will ask you yes or no. Okay, then it is a normal table again. Thank you.